Right, you buffoons, welcome to my cooking channel, Big D's cooking channel. Today, we got you some nice lamb stew, Caribbean lamb stew, yeah? Let's go! See, right now we got all the ingredients here. Got the carrots, peppers, yeah, spring onions, more peppers, potato, turmeric, nice onion, and ready seasoned lamb chunks. Yeah, let's do this. Big D's cooking, buffoons. Let's go. Yeah, we're gonna let it sweat for a bit, let all these juices, you know what I mean, evaporate for a little bit, and then we're gonna transfer it into a deeper pot for that nice, rich, deep flavor seasoning, you get me? Nice Caribbean lamb.